In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. By the end, you'll know how to set up an email campaign, design it to match your brand, choose who receives it, and send it out with confidence. First, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From there, open Marketing and SEO, then select Email Marketing. Click Create Email Campaign to start a new newsletter. This takes you into Wix's email tool, where everything you need is organized in a straightforward workflow. Next, choose a template. You can go with a pre-designed layout or start from scratch if you prefer full control. Templates are grouped by purpose, like newsletter, promotion, announcement, blog update, or product launch. Pick the one that fits your goal right now. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You'll be able to change any element after you open it. When you're ready, click Edit to customize. Inside the editor, make the design your own. Add your logo at the top for instant brand recognition and rewrite the headline so it clearly communicates your main message. Insert images that support your content and add buttons such as Shop Now, Read More, or Book Now to guide readers to the next step. Include social icons so people can follow you on other channels. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand guidelines. The editor uses drag and drop blocks so you can rearrange sections easily. Keep your layout clean. Use short paragraphs and make sure your primary call to action stands out. When your content looks good, click. Next, to choose recipients, you can send to your contacts list, to labels if you've created segments, or to an imported email list. If your subscribers are stored elsewhere, you can import a CSV file, and you can also manually add individual email addresses. It's best to email only people who have opted in and to keep your list up to date for better deliverability. Now set the details that affect opens and replies. Add a compelling subject line, write concise preview text that expands on the subject, enter the sender name your audience will recognize, and confirm the reply to email. For inspiration, a subject like "Big news coming soon" is short, curious, and friendly without being spammy. Finally, decide when to send. You can send now or schedule your campaign for a specific date and time that suits your audience. When everything looks right, click Send Campaign and you're done. That's how to create a newsletter in Wix from start to finish.